Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show how I handle stop rejections, which is a pain, and when you handle them on historical part of execution, it's a different story, well, slightly different. So I'm gonna show you how I do it on live. Okay. So first of all, the strategy, right, is set to, where is it? Stop, cancel, close, ignore rejects. Okay. So basically, when the stop order will get rejected, it will just continue running, but unfortunately, you will get like a message, okay, that will drive you absolutely nuts, and you cannot disable this message. Okay, you can have a read here. It has been requested, but like many times, but you cannot disable it. It will drive you absolutely nuts. I know many people want to keep the stops very, very tight sometimes. So to simulate this situation, I put my stop to like a 2-minute, two tick trail. So this position has been entered, and when this profit target is going to get hit, I'm going to start trailing on tick by 2 ticks, and this thing is just going to crash. Oh, it's not going to crash. It's just going. We will see in a second. Watch this. Oh, I'm sorry. This is actually a handled one. Okay, so this is how it actually works when it works fine after it has been handled. But now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and explain how I handle it in a second. So this is how it works when it's handled, and I'm going to push back and show you what happens, and you'll see that the result is quite similar for the live. And after this video, you'll hopefully understand why it gets rejected. It took me so long to understand this. So the cure for the live is to do it like this. Okay, I can't even stop the replay. So I already counted these messages. There were 37 messages. Very annoying. However, because we are set to ignore rejects, okay, the strategy actually did not stop. So it executed, so eventually the stop did get placed, but it got rejected 37 times. So actually the exchange might not like that either, right? So your code, and it gets rejected because of this, right? So you have your bids here, you have your asks here, and we were in a short position, and it tried to place a stop below the best ask, right here. So basically what we're gonna do is, if for some reason we do try, and before placing our stop, and we check if it occurs to be here, we want to place it at best ask or above, right? You know, we can have an offset for that as well. For this case, I just place it at best ask. It gets filled straight away, but with no getting rejected. Okay, and right here, if you go long and you place your stop, you might end up having it here. So you want to offset it to the best bid minus a few ticks maybe. All right. So, and here's the code. Right, this is how you do it, and you can also, you know, give it a tick offset. So plus tick size, like that, and this is going to work great. And you're not going to see the result already. All right, hope you like this trick.